Hey there, party people. Want to throw a bash that'll make your friends say, wow? You know me, I love a good time. And nothing says party like lights that dance with the music. We're going to turn your house into a dazzling disco. Get ready for a night to remember. Are you ready? Let's get this party started. Before we hit the dance floor, let's make sure we have everything we need to create the perfect party atmosphere. First, let's gather our party essentials. These items will ensure that our party is not just fun, but also memorable. Don't worry, it's super easy. Here's what we need to get started and make our party the talk of the town. Smart lights. These are the stars of our show. They will set the mood and create an immersive experience. Choose your favorites: Philips Hue, LIFX, or any brand you like. Each brand offers unique features and colors to match your party theme. Smartphone or tablet. We'll use this as our trusty control panel. With just a few taps, you can control the lights, music, and more. Music streaming service, Spotify, Apple Music, or whatever gets your groove on. A great playlist is essential to keep the energy high. Music and Light Sync App. This magical app will connect everything. It will sync the lights with the beat of the music, creating a dynamic and exciting atmosphere. We'll talk more about this later. Got everything? Awesome. Make sure to double-check your list to ensure nothing is missing. Let's move on to the fun part, setting it all up. We'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure everything works perfectly. Once everything is set up, it's time to let loose and enjoy the party. Dance like nobody's watching and make unforgettable memories with your friends. Remember, the key to a great party is the right ambience. With these essentials, you're all set to create a night to remember. So, gather your friends, set up your smart lights, and get ready to groove the night away. Let's make this party one for the books. Okay, party people, let's light up this place. We're about to turn your ordinary room into a vibrant, pulsating party zone. First, screw in those smart lights and download the app for your brand. Whether it's Philips Hue, LIFX, or any other, make sure you have the right app to control your lights. Connect the lights to your Wi-Fi. Easy peasy. Just follow the instructions on the app, and you'll be connected in no time. This step is crucial for syncing your lights with your music. Next, download a music and light sync app like Hue Sync or iLightShow. These apps are designed to make your lights dance to the rhythm of your favorite tracks. These apps are the bridge between your tunes and your lights. They analyze the music and translate it into light patterns, creating an immersive experience. Open the app and choose your music source. You can select from a variety of options, whether it's a playlist, a streaming service, or even a live DJ set. Spotify, Apple Music, you got it. These apps support most major music services, so you can always play your favorite jams. Now blast those tunes and watch your lights come alive. The lights will change colors and patterns in sync with the beat, creating a dynamic and exciting atmosphere. See? I told you it was easy. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed your space into a party paradise. Now let's add some personal flair. Customize the light settings to match your mood or the theme of your party. You can adjust the colors, brightness, and even the speed of the light changes. Section 4. Set the mood. Customizing your lights. This is where the magic happens, and you get to be the master of your own lighting universe. Here's where you become the party DJ of ambience. Imagine having the power to control the mood of any room with just a few taps on your smartphone. Want a chill vibe? Choose soft, flowing colors. These gentle hues can transform your space into a serene oasis, perfect for unwinding after a long day or hosting a relaxed gathering with friends. Ready to get the party started? Crank up the brightness and pick vibrant colors that pulse to the beat. These dynamic lights can turn any ordinary room into a lively dance floor, making your party unforgettable. Most apps let you create custom presets for different moods. Whether it's a cozy movie night, a romantic dinner, or a high-energy party, you can save your favorite settings and switch between them effortlessly. Movie night? We got you covered. Romantic dinner? No problem. With just a tap, you can set the perfect lighting to enhance any experience, making every moment special. Play around and find what makes your heart sing. Experiment with different colors, brightness levels, and effects until you find the perfect combination that suits your mood and occasion. Feeling creative? You can even customize the colors and effects to match your party theme. The possibilities are endless. From themed parties to everyday living, your lighting can be as unique as you are. So go ahead, let your creativity shine and make your space truly your own. Section 5. Troubleshooting tips. Keep the party going. Having a little trouble? No worries, I'm here to help. Lights not syncing? Double-check your Wi-Fi and make sure your devices are close together. Music lagging? Try closing other apps on your phone. Still stuck? Don't panic. Most apps have helpful FAQs or customer support. They'll get you back on track in a jiffy. And there you have it. You're ready to throw the most epic, light-tastic party ever.